Hi friends, as I promised you that I will teach you how to make golden bath bomb. So I'm going to fulfill my promise. So let us see how to make golden bath bomb. So first of all, let us focus on the things which we require to make golden bath bomb. This is our ready bath bomb. It is better to make either in yellow color or white color. Number two, what we need, that's IPA rubbing alcohol. This is our golden glitter. Take care whenever you are using this golden glitter, they should be very fine quality. Don't take glitter wala, but this is just like a powder form. We need brush. This is a makeup brush you can take. Plastic container. So now first of all, what you need to do, take golden glitter, put into plastic container. Approximately you can take 1 teaspoon. Now using rubbing alcohol, no need to use spray. It's better you just open the cap and gradually add IPA to make a thin paste. Let us see. I find this paste is little bit thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more IPA to make it thinner. Dissolve it properly. Take brush and using brush start doing painting kind of effect on bath bomb. It takes very few minutes to dry. If you find that paste has become thicker, what you need to do, add little bit more rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of rubbing alcohol in golden paint just to make it thinner. Now you can see our beautiful golden bath bomb is ready, which is excellent to gift for golden anniversary or 50th anniversary. So I'm sure this part is clear. Let me recap. You need IPA. This is glitter powder. Take care. Don't take any, texture. You need to take only powder form, brush and container. Dissolve powder into IPA. Make a thin paste and using big brush, keep on painting until you get 100% golden color. Thank you.